Most business owners are sitting on a gold mine and don't even realize it. YouTube isn't just a place to post videos, it's a platform that can literally pay you to grow your business, if you know how to use it right. But here's the problem, 99% of entrepreneurs treat YouTube like a digital billboard. They post random videos, chase views, and hope for clients, while a small group of people are quietly building systems that make money every single month, even when they're not posting. And those are the people your future customers are watching instead of you. My name is Ryan Weber, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use for my wife's YouTube channel, The Real Estate Lawyer. That channel's done over 13 million views, generated over $25,000 in ad revenue, and helped bring in millions of dollars of actual business to her law firm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip that for your business, how to build a YouTube system that brings in leads, builds authority, and funds itself, so your content doesn't cost you money, it actually makes you money. Here's the formula that changes everything. Teach, build trust, earn leads, get paid, reinvest, and repeat. Let's unpack it. So here's what Teach is. You don't need to be an entertainer. You need to solve problems. Every video should answer a question for your ideal client and what they're actually Googling right now. That's free SEO. Free authority and goodwill in one shot. Building trust, that is attention that gets you clicks. Trust gets you clients. Educational content might not blow up, it's super boring, but it converts like crazy. The goal isn't to go viral, it's to go valuable. Earning leads, once people trust you, they binge your videos. They start thinking of you as the person who gets it. That's when the DMs and the emails start rolling in. Getting paid, here's the beautiful part of this. YouTube literally pays you to keep teaching. Ad revenues, brand deals, affiliate links, it's marketing that ends up funding itself. Reinvest. When you get to reinvest, don't spend that money. Use it to hire an editor, shoot more videos, or double on your posting schedule. We actually use it to fund our advertising in the law firm. That's how your flywheel starts spinning even faster. Now, here's another big reason why I like YouTube so much to build your business. AI has flooded the internet with garbage. You can tell when someone's just regurgitating ChatGPT talking points. And here's the opportunity. Real human perspective is now rare. Your voice, your tone, your stories, that's your moat. That's the thing that makes it hard for the robots to replicate. If you sound human, you win. Every niche right now is oversaturated, except the ones where you actually care. So instead of asking, what should I post? Ask, what do I believe that nobody else in my industry is saying? That's your differentiator. It's not just information, it's insight. Information is cheap, insight is paid. Another question I get is, what about hashtags? Stop wasting your brain cells on hashtags. They're done, they're gone. That's been over for a while. Hashtags don't rank you, search does. YouTube is owned by Google, #1 search engine in the world. That means every video is a searchable web page. So when you title a video, you're not naming it, you're optimizing it. It's your headlines, your hook, it's your storefront. If your video is called 5 business tips, nobody's clicking that. But how I built a $100,000 business without spending $1 on ads, that gets searched and it gets clicked. Think like a search engine, not like a social media manager. Every video should answer a phrase someone's typing into Google right before they're ready to spend money. That's how you can turn content into cash flow. The biggest lie online is that you have to pick between short form and long form videos. You don't. You need both because they serve different jobs. Short form grabs attention, long form earns commitment. Shorts get people in the door, longs get people to stay, trust you, and eventually buy. So your short videos should be the trailer and your long videos should be the movie. Most businesses stop at the trailer and wonder why nobody's buying popcorn. But if I were only picking one type of video content to do, I would double down on long form video, and here's why. Long form viewers are committed. They aren't searching for tiny hits of dopamine, they're searching for real answers. And when you can help solve real problems, people are willing to pay you real money. Before you record your next video, ask this question. If this gets 100 views but brings in 2 clients, is that a win? Most of the time it's a yes, because the goal isn't viral, it's valuable. You don't need millions of views, you need the right 1,000. And when you treat every video as a digital employee, optimized, repeatable, and built for longevity, your channel becomes a sales machine. And that's when YouTube stops being a marketing expense and becomes an income stream that funds your entire business ecosystem. So treat every video like it's the first time you meet somebody. If you say nothing, provide no value, and ask someone to pay you money, they're probably never going to come back. But if you help them solve a problem and respect their time and attention, they'll be back. So now you know how to turn your YouTube channel into a marketing machine that brings in leads, builds authority, and even pays you to grow your business. But here's the part nobody talks about. None of it works if your content itself isn't strong enough to fuel the system. And after making over 10,000 videos, I learned exactly what separates content that works from content that gets ignored. So before you upload your next video, watch this one. I'll walk you through the 10 lessons that took me years to figure out so you can shortcut the process, skip the mistakes, and start creating content that actually moves your business forward. Click right here to watch it, and that's where your YouTube flywheel really starts spinning.